Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One. In this video, I'm just showing you how I am starting my seeds. So in these four here, 1, 2, 3, 4, those four, those are tomatoes. The next two from there, 1, 2, is eggplant. The next two from here is zucchini. The next two from there is winter squash. And the final two is habanero peppers or hot peppers, okay? And let me some habanero peppers. So I had got this vase from Dollar Tree, and it's a mister. So when you spray, you're not wetting up the whole thing, okay? And so in this pot here, I have cauliflower on one side, and then on the other side, I have some cucumber, okay? So eggs too expensive, so I didn't retain any egg cartons. So now I'm just going to mist it, as you can see. And let me get these ones good too. And then I'm gonna also show you another way that I planted, because you'll see. Now it's time to put the seeds that I am sowing under the grow light. And I'm going to do more seeds, but this is just what I'm going to start indoors. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and you have a great day.